Hello and welcome to this video. Python comments can be very useful. They can be used to explain your Python code to yourself and to others. Also, comments can be used to prevent execution of code when you are testing your code. So you may have certain aspect of your code that you don't want to run during execution. To achieve that, you can add comments to that aspect of code, which prevents the execution of that code. So this can be very useful during testing purposes. There are two main types of comments in Python. We have a single line comment and a multi-line comment. So the single line comment is represented by the hash symbol, while a multi-line comment, you can either represent it by 3 double quotes on either side of the code you want to comment, or you can have 3 single quotes on either side of the code you are trying to comment. I've got my Jupyter dashboard. I'm going to create a new notebook. So on that new, I'll click Python 3, and I'm going to call this notebook Python comments, and then I'll click rename. Inside the cell, I'm going to issue out a simple print function here, and I'm going to get it to print out the text hello world. And next to it, I'm going to add a single line comment, which is represented by this hash symbol. When the comment is on the right hand side of the code, it does not affect the code running. But when you place the comment in front of the code, it will affect the code. So if I click run here, it will give me the output because the comment is on the right hand side. So notice in the second cell here, I have placed the comment in front of the code. Notice that's commented out all of the code. So it will prevent this code from being executed. So if I click on the run button, you see nothing gets executed because of the comment. So be very careful where you place your comment. If you place it in front of the code, it will comment out the entire line. But if you place it on the right hand side, as we've done in cell number 1, it does not affect the code from being executed. So these are known as single line comment. So let's give you an example of a multiple line comment. So to do that, you do 3 quotes on either side. All right, so you can press enter. So you either have 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. You can't mix the quote. And then any text that is enclosed between these quotes will be commented out and the code will not be executed. In this cell here, we've got a multi-line comment because it spans multiple lines. This is one line, this is another line. So we can see that the multi-line is enclosed by these quotes. So we have 3 double quotes before and 3 double quotes online. Notice it has turned all the text in between the quotes red, which means that when I run this cell, those lines of code will be ignored. The only line that will print is this print function here that says hello world. So if I run this cell by clicking on the run button, you can see here it's printed out hello world, and it has ignored this here, which is the multi-line comments. So comments are very useful in Python. They help you explain what your code is doing and also can help you comment out certain lines of code if you don't want those lines of code to be executed. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.